Yes, my people, welcome back to the Mac 4K World Tour. Yeah, man, coming to you from Irving in St. James. Yes, my people, going to give you a driving tour from Irving straight into Westgate. So sit back, relax, and enjoy this tour from St. James. Check this. Wow. Some nice house around here. Oh, look at this house. It get damaged, real damage in this town. Look at that. I tell you, a lot of people feel it by this dreaded storm that passed 3 months ago. Guys. Most of the house around here look like the roof gone. Get damaged in the storm. Look over there. Wow, they fix up the road so nice around here. Look at that. Well, at least they have good roads to drive on. Wow, so this is Irving, my people. Wow, nice house on the hillside there. Wow. See all the palm trees getting back their true life together over there. Cable man them what how that work? Whoa, what a view. Nice house over there. Look at this, guys. Whoa, nice view from up the hill here. We have two cruise ships over there in Montego Bay. See if we can zoom it up. So right over there, guys, I don't know if you can see it. Right over there, that big building over there is the thing is the Connell Regional Hospital. I think I should come out of the car and give you a good view around the area. That's it, guys. So this house got damaged too in this storm. Wow. Alright guys, so we just coming to Westgate now, so we are going straight into the town center of Montego Bay. Alright. So this is the current situation with the road here. They're preparing this road to do a dual carriage right here. So they're still doing some work over there on the bridge there. Have a little traffic here because of the road situation right now. Oh. Few potholes. So guys, on your left there you have Tasties. Yeah. Okay, so right here is the clock here, right? Yeah. So we are in the town of Montego Bay now. Alright guys, so we're currently on Barnett Street right now. Yeah. So everybody glad for the sunlight after 3 days of cold front in Jamaica, where everybody is freezing, but today's sun is warm.
He's so tired.
Yeah.
Phones on sale for $6,000. School bags on sale for $4,000. Sale on Samsung phones and laptops.
Okay.
Phones on sale for $6,000. Big 10-inch tablet on sale for $10,000. Laptop on sale for $30,000. Sale $15,000.
That man look like he shut off in the road. Look at that, guys.
For $10,000. Any t-shirt, shirts, or shorts. Buy two, get one free. Buy two, get one free.
Car shut off. Wow. So we're still on Barnett Street here, guys. So just taking your cozy ride into town center here. on your right here, guys, this is Barnett Street Police Station. Right there on your right. And on your left down there is Courts. We can't go along here, so. Oh. So on your left over there, guys, is the fire station, Montego Bay Fire Station. Yeah. So we're going straight around. Okay. Oh, that is the Mobile Transport Center over on the left there. Alright guys, so we're gonna take a left here and go straight into Overton. Yeah. Right here. Okay. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for supporting the channel. Yes, I'm going to end this one right here. One way overturn. So going back down now. Like Overturn Plaza, guys. Alright.